Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? Today I have a huge box. Not that one, but this one here, this one. The box itself is pretty big. So this is my Boxy Premium for the month and I don't remember what's in here. I opened it when I got it to check on things, but I don't remember what's in here, so it will be very exciting. Boxy Premium is $35 a month. You can get it monthly from BoxyCharm, and it comes with 6 or 7 full-size products. Pretty sure that's the right number, but we'll see. I will see if this BoxyCharm is better than some of my previous ones, but you never know. Okay, let's just get into it right now. I'm gonna put it back over here where it was. And there's my card. I already opened the base box, so I know that the theme is glamping. It's really hard for me to say that. I don't know why. Okay, so right on top is a lipstick from MAC Cosmetics. It is kind of a brownish color. It's in the color Verve. I don't think I have any MAC lipstick. So here's the bullet. It's got that rounded tip on it. Yeah, it's brown. It's definitely brown. Okay, let me swatch it. That's a huge swatch. So yeah, it's brown. It's got a little bit of red in the brown, but yeah, a pretty nice color. I'll definitely be able to wear that. It's going to be pretty wearable on me. That's the first MAC lipstick I think I've ever owned. Okay, the next thing in here is from Milk Makeup, and it's in a plastic tube. Let me see if I can get into it. That's so weird. I've never seen it. Oh, it's an eyeliner. It's a gel eyeliner. But why was it inside the plastic tube? Oh, okay. So it's got a smudger on one side here. A little sponge there for me. And then it just says long wear gel eyeliner. Oh, it's in the shade black. I don't know if I need, oh no, maybe I'll keep this one. And the reason is it's got a because it's a gel liner, it's got a crayon tip to it, which is really nice. I mean, I wore one today, a similar style, which is from, it says smudger and sharpener, but there's no reason for a what? It says, by the way, one side says smudger and, smudger, I'm having the worst time. Smudger and sharpener. And then the other side says CEO. And this is the Milk Makeup, yeah, long-lasting long wear gel liner. I'm sorry, I'm having a heck of a time right now. But it's just a smudger. It's definitely not a sharpener. It's a gel liner. I'm not going to need to sharpen it. It's pretty thin. Weird packaging choice, but whatever. Yeah, I might keep this, as I'm not big on keeping black liners, obviously, but it's kind of different enough that it might be interesting to try. So I'll keep that here. So far I've got lipstick and an eyeliner. There's something weird in here. Okay, so this is from Daily Concepts. It is the Daily Detox Massaging Brush, and it says for dry brushing. Dry brush, it says ideal for smoothing and softening skin. What? Okay, we know it goes without saying, but your detox brush will be your BFF for your daily skincare ritual. Rub, dry or wet, scrub and repeat. Partners with your favorite scrub or wash or stands alone for dry brushing. So basically, you just brush, rub the brush all over you. It's like a body brush. Interesting. Let me try and get into it. They did not make this easy. Give me a second. So here it is. It's a brush. It's got a handle. Got some bristles. Both some nubby plastic ones as well as bristles. So basically, I guess this is just to rub your skin. Oh God, I shouldn't have done that. A bunch of dry skin came off right there. That was gross. Yeah, so it's to help exfoliate / make your skin feel good. It says this level is vigorous. It says ideal for the body. It's interesting. Oh my god. We know we can't always control what happens in life, but we can control our reaction. Boy, if that isn't just the time currently. Yeah, this is interesting. I've never seen anything like this before in a box. It was real itchy, like when I scratched myself. It was probably not the best idea, but boy. Okay, that's interesting for sure. So let's keep going. Oh, ooh, something from Too Faced from Born This Way. So it's translucent on the top. So I'm going to guess this is some Too Faced translucent powder, which is exactly what it is. It says ethereal setting powder. Oh, what does that mean? It's got the Too Faced on top. It's kind of fancy looking. So that's in French. It's infused with coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid. Our silky lightweight powder sets makeup for longer wear while providing a veil of perfecting luminosity for a finish so natural they'll think you were born this way. I know one of the choices this month was foundation, and I'm iffy to get foundation from a subscription box, basically. Oh, okay. So here we are. I opened the little plastic. Well, the plastic is attached, so I can re-put it on there, which is great. A little like imprint on here. I don't know. I think it's too bright here. It's actually a heart, like where the powder comes out of. Obviously, I can't really do anything with translucent powder. I smell it, I guess. It doesn't really smell like anything, so yeah, that's good. But I'm always I'm always in need of more translucent powder, setting powder especially. Today I used some Tarte. It's okay. So I'm a little shiny at the moment. I might need to touch up later. But yeah, okay, cool. That is an interesting product. I'm not an interesting product. That's a pretty normal product, but definitely a good one. Okay. This next thing I think is what I picked myself, and it is not only in a box, it's also in plastic. Wow, I've succeeded. And oh my gosh, here it is. So this is from Sunday Riley, which I only own one thing from, and it's this teeny tiny little bottle. But this is the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream from Sunday Riley. Now watch this, guys. Oh my gosh, this is the bougiest packed moisturizer. It's inside of a box here. Oh, interesting. Okay, so on the bottom here is, let me pull it out. It comes with its own little applicator and the container, which is hard plastic and not glass, as I would have expected. So let me get into it. Okay, I see maybe why it was in plastic. It looks like it has some leaking problems here. Plastic. And it smells kind of citrusy, kind of orangey. But yeah, it's a nice moisturizer. I definitely wanted to try. So that means in both boxes I picked moisturizer. Whatever works there. Blends right in. Has a very, very light kind of orange vanilla-y scent. Oh, the outside package of that is kind of oily. I'm gonna have to be careful with that. I love, though, that it came with its own little thing. I'm straight up gonna put this back in here because just the ridiculousness of having this and then going right back on top. I know that this is an expensive brand, and I know that this product is probably worth more than everything else in this box. So I will be careful with that, but I'm excited to test it out. Like I said, I don't have anything from Sunday Riley. Well, no, I have one thing from Sunday Riley, but I'm like excited to actually test out something that's like a full size from them. Okay. I think this is the last thing in here. And it's a palette. It's surprising to no one. So this is actually from, it's gonna be real shiny, guys, Ciate London. It is the Editor palette. I remember seeing this in spoilers and remember thinking that it looked good. However, I do not remember what it looked like. So we'll see. Okay, so out of the shiny packaging we're here. Okay, so this is actually a hard plastic with like it closes fully. So let's pop this open. Ooh. So okay, so it's the editor palette and then it says it's New England. So these, don't mind the bottom, are the shades. Ooh, look at those shades. So it's got a lot of these kind of darker, that's plastic. These like darker, kind of more jewel tonedy ones. Let's get some swatches. Nothing has names, by the way, so I won't be able to tell you what their names are. Ooh, that one is dark. These are pretty nice. Lots of shimmers in this palette. I love a good shimmer. You may be able to tell. But let's see. Let's try one more. The matte. Let's see. There are only 1, 2, like 4 mattes in here, and that one might be a matte. I'm not entirely sure. Let's get this light brown as well. Okay. Next, click closed. So here are some of the colors. They're, like I said, they're more on the muted side, which is kind of interesting. We've got some shimmers there. That top one is a shimmer. The blue is, I can't tell. Some of them look shiny in the palette, but I think it's just the way they're pressed. So they're probably not all, but they're really pretty. They had good payoff, not like, they're not streaky when I swatch them, so that's good. I'm slowly collecting like a full set of makeup from Ciate London. I've got that weird highlighter, I've got a palette, I've got a setting spray, I've got a translucent. Yeah, I don't really mind that I'm getting all the Ciate London. It's kind of interesting to me, but yeah, so that's cool. I definitely like that. I think with that, I've got all of the products out of here. Hold on, let me count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's 6. Let me see on my chart, my thing here. Is there 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this month, there are 6 products, and let's go through. And from a cursory glance, I can tell you, yeah, I was right. The pick that I made, is the most expensive item in here. By a lot, actually. So the first thing up is our Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. And that is $65. It's $65 for 50, I think is what it said on here. 50 grams, 1.7 ounces. Whew, boy, that's a lot for such a small amount. The next thing on here is our Ciate London New England Editor Palette, which is really pretty. I love the kind of muted, deeper, like darker tones, especially because like at this point we're going into fall. It may be 90 degrees here today and 90 degrees for the rest of the week, but like these jewel tone darker colors are going to be great when fall happens. Like it's just, I'm really excited about this. So this is it's $32 for 18 shades. Yeah, 18 shades. Okay, next up is our Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, which is $33. Yeah, that's not surprising for Ciate London, or not for Too Faced Ciate London. This month has a lot of like brands. These are big brands. Born This Way, Ciate London, Sunday Riley, MAC, and Milk. Those are all big, like, well-known brands. Next up is, speaking of MAC, our MAC Satin Lipstick, which is $19. They are on the higher end, so not surprising, even though it's really not that big. I mean, look at that. But what can you do? Next is our Milk Makeup Eyeliner, which is $22. Boy, howdy. Apparently it has avocado oil and hyaluronic acid in it. It says it's waterproof as well. So a waterproof gel is interesting. That's not something you get a lot of. Mostly would get that with the liquid because they dry down. And then our last thing in here is the Daily Concept. Why can't I say their name? Daily Concepts Daily Detox Massaging Brush, which is so interesting. It just, yeah, like promotes stimulation and gets rid of dead skin, which considering how coarse those bristles are, yeah, definitely getting rid of a lot of dead skin. And that is $18. So now let me add everything up. Okay, so everything added together is $189. Now, if you've watched my Boxy base box, if it's up already, that was $186. And that one is $10 less than this. So, not the best. I mean, the stuff in here is definitely quality, though. I would give them that. Especially considering the base box and stuff that happened with that. I mean, you can watch that video and figure out what I'm talking about, because it was ridiculous. But yeah, so the good thing though is that these are all products that, like, the one I picked out and the other ones, like, I'll use. I think I will keep the Milk eyeliner because it's a gel liner as opposed to liquid. And obviously translucent setting powder and a brown lipstick and this beautiful palette. I really like this palette. I got one from Tribe that I really like, but it's been a while since I've had palettes where I was just like genuinely like, yes, that palette. I want that palette. But this one, yeah, I definitely liked it. So I guess overall I'm good. I am giving Boxy though one more month before I determine what I'm gonna do with it. If I want to keep all three, if I want to get rid of one. We'll see overall. But thank you guys so much for watching, for getting to the end of this video. While you're here, if you could like my video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications. I would love that. If not, that's cool too. Thanks for watching. If you want to leave a comment down below, that's good. I like comments. I'm real bad at responding to them, as like people I know will attest to, but I'll get to them eventually. But thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. Bye!